Why rock plain kicks when you can add glitter into the mix? Do-it-yourself rainbow designs are a fun way to make your clothing creative, and it's a great activity to do with the kids.
That's right. This Kansas City mama blogger Andrea Krasnow here to brighten our world. You always brighten our world.
Oh, thanks.
No matter if it's with those little rocks with the inspirational sayings, or we're doing fun DIY stuff here today with the rainbows. Now, before we get started, I always learn my rainbows because of Roy G. Biv. So, the red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, violet. Right? Is that the order we're following here?
Well, not necessarily.
Okay.
So,
so we're not going to be scientifically correct rainbows.
No. Okay. Well, we're kind of deconstructing, but we're also following in the normal rainbow colors.
Okay.
But I have to say, it all started with my favorite DIY designer. So I started when I made this jacket.
Oh, look at that.
So,
fancy.
I had to be like, well, I can't just have it on a jacket. I have to put it on everything.
All right.
So today I thought maybe we could work on this tiny little coin pouch, or you could put secrets in it or pencils, and maybe your daughter could take it off to kindergarten if she wanted to when you finish it. So what you need to do is kind of fill in the blank, if you want, with the rest of the little purple. So we did a deconstructed rainbow in color. I didn't have orange, so I did pink.
That's okay.
And I did a light blue instead of a yellow, so it doesn't necessarily have to follow the pattern.
I was just kind of joking around.
No. I just wanted everybody to know that, yes, you can do the normal colors, but it's also fun to just throw, like on the tennis shoes.
I love what you've done with the back of the Chuck Taylors there. That look awesome, and it really kind of, I'm sure that's what everybody's going to be looking at as you're walking down, doing your shopping or going to school here. It's going to have that little flare on the heel of your shoe.
Right, and the sun's going to catch it, and it's just going to make everybody happy.
Well, let's go ahead. I want to get to work here on this one. So just so everybody can see here, we've kind of got our rainbow already started top to bottom. Now, is this just Mod Podge and some?
It's Mod Podge and glitter.
And glitter.
But you have to get the right glitter. So this is that extra large glitter, and you can kind of see it's a little bit bigger than your fine glitter.
Yeah.
You're gonna get the larger because it's gonna stand out more. This will just absorb and you won't see it. It's kind of right here on the bottom of the shoe.
Oh, I see. So from a parental aspect, will the extra large glitter clean up easier than the small? No. It's still a glitter bomb everywhere.
It's all over my den. So, and that's just from me doing it.
So do I just paint this on here?
Yeah, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of load up your brush, and you're gonna try to get as much glitter on your brush than you do glue.
Okay.
And then you're gonna try to bring it up just a tad. I do this. No, you're fine. I just kind of bring it up a little bit further on my brush.
Oh, I see. Load it up more towards the tip of the brush.
And then when you put it, you're gonna lay it really thick.
Oh, and instead of like actually brushing it on there,
exactly, you're just gonna lay it on there, and then you can kind of use your finger.
Because then again, the Mod Podge will dry clear.
Exactly. So you can see from all of this. This was Mod Podge and the glitter. Same thing with the shoe. And again, you want to get that extra large glitter because the fine glitter, I learned from another DIY, does not work.
Okay.
I mean, it did for the shoe because it was kind of like the pot of gold at the bottom of my rainbow here. But for something that you really want it to stand out, you want to get that larger glitter.
All right. Now let's talk about some of the paint that you've used on the back of your jacket there, like you showed us, and maybe some of the stuff over here. What type of paint is that?
You want to use fabric paint.
Okay.
So this brand is just a brand you can get at your craft store. It's just a matte fabric paint, and you gotta be so careful with this stuff because, as you can see, it's all over my cap, and every time I pop the cap,
I bet it sprays
blows out all over the place. So make sure you're not wearing clothes that you want fabric paint on, and just make sure that you have little wet wipes or something close by in case you do have a giant spill.
Get the craft clothes on before we even open up the package.
Be just like a kid and put on your craft t-shirt before you start painting.
Okay, and then a lot of the stuff we have a little bit of, it looks like you've maybe sewn some of this on there. Do I need to know how to sew,
No,
or is that just?
You need fabric glue.
Fabric glue and fabric dye and fabric paint.
It's all about fabric.
I love it.
Yeah, all you do is just run for this one. I stacked them on top of each other, and you just run a thin bead and then just lay it. And then run a bead and then lay it. And you do that all the way around. It's a little time consuming, but I think it's totally worth it. And as you can see, you cannot pull it off.
No. Okay. Let me see. Here, I'm gonna.
Go ahead.
There we go. All right, well, I am ready to do the rest of the show. I've got my cap on, and we're ready to go. And I do like your shoes too, but I don't think I can fit my feet in there. So
you never know. You could give it a whirl.
We'll try later. All right, Andrea, we do appreciate your time and your rainbows and bright colors. Belinda, over to you.
Start